Hey, what's up, guys? This is Steve Solorio again. Welcome again to Workshop Wednesdays. Today we're going to talk about memory lane. What are some things that might affect us in the past, or that might affect us, something that happened in the past that might affect us in the present and the future. What are some reasons how our past is really important to us now? This is really important because the past has a meaning to us. Whether it's good or bad, our memories are a learning experience and they carry on with us. With memories, they can either be positive or negative. They can have positive or negative effects depending on the memory. So I'm gonna have today Lupe and Lali kind of describe a little bit the negatives and the positives of this. So just remember that a lot of the stuff that happens in the past, will affect you in the future. Sometimes you will never know the true value of a moment until it becomes a memory. So no matter what happens, some memories can never be replaced or forgotten. I know sometimes we can get help for that. For example, it's really important if you had a bad situation that happened in the past, to get some help. Maybe look into talking to a counselor, a therapist, or somebody that you trust. So today we're gonna, me, Lali, and Lupe are gonna be sharing a little bit of our memories and how that impacted us in our life. Okay, so we're gonna be sharing that towards the end of the video.
Hey guys, it's Lali. So today what I'm gonna be talking about is positive memories. The reason we're talking about positive memories is because they make you smile, laugh, and they just bring joy in general. So some examples of positive memories is hanging out with your friends, having a barbecue at your family, or working. And with positive memories, remember the good times you've had and those who have brought you happiness. And keep them close, okay? And as well, keep in mind some positive memories are lessons, okay? And I'll let Lupe talk more about it, okay?
Hi guys, this is Lupe. So some memories can be painful and they can correlate to negative experiences, and negative experiences like breakups, car crashes, parents' divorce, or just in general trauma. These memories can serve as a purpose to teach us a lesson, to also teach us to be more cautious, and they can even help us grow as a person. Definitely, with these negative memories and experiences, it can be really difficult to cope and move forward. But don't let your past define your future. Don't let your past hold you back. And if you are courageous enough to share your story to your peers, to your friends, to your families, definitely that can help others. Talking about that can help others. And if you notice that you're having a hard time trying to move on, seek help, seek professional help, or talk to someone that you trust. And last minute things, don't forget the virtual Zoom office hours and the virtual college visits that are on our Facebook page and Instagram page. So we'll get going to our activity.
All right, guys, so today I'm gonna share some memories that have impacted me as a person. One of the first ones I have is when I moved from California to Nebraska. These are just one of the ways this has impacted me is back when I used to live in California. We lived in a neighborhood that wasn't probably the best one. There was a lot of violence, a lot of gang activity. I think if I still lived back in California, one of my cousins once mentioned that I would either be probably in jail or dead. You never know what would have been, but I'm glad we came to Nebraska. There are more opportunities here for a lot of people, and also I got to meet a lot of new people here. So here in Nebraska, I was able to graduate from the University of Nebraska, and I just found a better life here. The second one I have is a picture of my two daughters. I'm sorry, I'm not the best drawer, but with my daughters, they changed my life a lot. They made me be more committed. They made me be work hard for what I have. They make me everything. My motivation is them. So this has made me become a better person, and also made me become a more loving person. It's taught me how to love other people. So these are two things that have helped me in the past, or things that have happened to me in the past that are not affecting me in the future. So I'm glad these are some memories that I'm happy for.
Hello again. I have my two pictures. My first picture is my bad memory. It was when me, my mom, and my sisters, we were from California, or we are, yet we moved to Lincoln, Nebraska. We drove there and it was a bad experience because it was a 24-hour drive. I didn't know what to expect, and I was leaving my home to move to a new home. So I was nervous. I remember I was 6 years old and it was scary, driving to another state, not knowing what to expect. Yet, to be honest, I don't regret it. I am happy that we moved here, and now I think of it, yeah, it was a bad experience, yet I learned from it. I learned that, change is good. And my second is my positive memory, and it's me with my car. If you guys don't know, I love my car. I have a Jeep Wrangler. It took me 2 years to buy this car. It's my dream car. And even thinking about it makes me happy because I worked so hard to buy this car. And I'm just really proud of myself because I never thought I would buy this car, and I did. So I'm just proud and happy that I have it. And hard work pays off. Okay? Take care, guys.
So my positive memory is when I first graduated high school and I got accepted to UNL. This is a big milestone for me and my family, and definitely, education has shaped my life. I can't wait to, hopefully by the summer I'll be able to get my bachelor's degree. So I'm really excited for that. Y, todo se puede. And my negative memory is when my parents divorced. This has really impacted me, and when I was growing up. And so, I try to look for the positive things in the negative parts, and I know at the end of the day I still have my parents' unconditional support, even though they may not be together. And so those are a couple of my positive and negative memories.